What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today, guys, we are going to get into this head. We're going to throw on a little bit of makeup. I am going to be trying out this, oh my gosh, this hair mister. I'm telling y'all, this thing is amazing. You just put your water in here and whatever you want, and just wherever you want. We are going to make us a nice little drink of water. Grapefruit lime water, lemon water, either one, whatever you want, you know. Delicious. And I'm gonna do this all partially blind, I don't know, so I can actually see right now, but if I keep my glasses on, you guys are gonna just see this glare. Oh, I can go like that. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna do this without my glasses on, so please don't talk about my parts. They might be a little crooked, y'all. But anyway, let's get into this video. If you like to see that, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Little girl with a classy curl, a curly apple when it cut hair. 19 when I got a relaxer. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I put it all on. 24 when I got on natural.
We are starting with damp hair that has been loosely detangled, and I'm just going to get it ready to be styled. So I'm going to section this area here, and I'm going to put that in rubber bands, and the rest I'm just going to clip away. So watch that as I speed that up for you. So this is the one thing that kind of drug out way too much in this video, so I tried to make sure I sped this up, but I wanted you guys to see what realistically happens when you're parting your natural hair. So I just took a section of hair that I wanted for the front, and I took it larger than I wanted it just so that I can manipulate it a little better once I got the sections pulled back in the back. So that is what you see here. Now I'm just gonna go in and clean up those parts and get them as straight as I can. But you guys, just like I told you, I did not have my glasses nor my contacts on, and I normally do, but I didn't today. So these parts were as best as I could get them. And now looking back, they actually don't look that bad. So hope you guys enjoy. And happy parting, because this is the part that, oh my gosh, you guys, makes your arms hurt after a while. So I'm just going to take some edge control, and I'm just going to smooth out those edges around where I'm going to put my ponytails in the middle, just so I can have that nice and sleek. And I'm just going to pull that back to the back of my head so I can focus on the front. And then I'm just going to part this, but you guys are going to see I did part this into 4 sections, but they were way too tiny for the style I was going for. So I did go back and switch that, but I'll tell you guys about that in a minute. So I am just using my Softee Olive Oil Gel and edge control to make my ponytails look nice and neat. Then I soaked my rubber bands in the black castor oil, and I wanted to make sure I did that so that there wouldn't be any breakage from the rubber bands. Okay guys, so yes, you hear the fan in the background, y'all. It got hot, and I also had to go back because the 2 that I had in there, it was too small. So I split this into 3, and now I am going to throw these in some ponytails. Okay, so keep watching. I'm just going to add this to this, and then this to this. Okay. So we are just going to add the rest of the hair in the back up into a ponytail at the top so that we can finger coil that section. And I am just going to be using my Cantu Avocado leave-in conditioner to make sure that I have some moisture in my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my gel, and I'm going to smooth that out and brush that up into my ponytail. Now the hair that I have remaining in the front from the ponytails, I am just going to wet that so that I can have that nice and smooth, and I'm going to detangle and then add a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to twist that around my hair and secure that with a nice gold hairpin just so that it can be a little prettier. Now we are just going to go ahead and work on our edges with our edge brush and our edge control, and you can do your edges to your own liking. This is how I like mine. I don't really like a ton of like swoops and swirls all over. The next step is completely optional, but I love to accessorize. I think it looks so pretty, so I'm just adding those here. Now I'm just going to put my head wrap around so that I can secure that and make sure that my edges stay nice and neat while I work on the top. So I just am going to use my Mielle Rosemary and Mint Leavin conditioner, and I'm going to just take a little section. I'm going to wet those, brush it, and then I'm going to use the conditioner, wrap it around my finger, and I'm just going to twirl into these finger coils. Now if you don't know how to finger coil, I do have a video that I did do about a year ago, but I will make sure that I put that in the description box so that you guys can see that. But I am just going to continue to do this until I am finished, so just keep watching. Part of this little segment where we're gonna get our healthy on, and I always tell you guys to fix your posture and drink some water, but everybody's like, oh, water is disgusting. Customize it, y'all. I have some grapefruit, ruby red grapefruit with no sugar added, and some lemon juice here, and I'm just gonna take it, squirt it into my water. There we go. Take some grapefruit, a little bit of the grapefruit juice, put that in there. Okay. Get you a nice straw, stir it up. Look at that. And then drink it. Yum. Try it guys. I love it. Grapefruit is good for lowering your blood pressure, and I need that. Okay y'all, I need that. So now back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, let's get into this makeup. So we want to start with a fresh face, and any hair that needs to be removed, you want to make sure you shave that now. So y'all, this thing has too many good purposes. I love it. This step is also optional. If you want a little more information on this, I do have a full video with this. I'll make sure that I put a link in the description box for that as well. Now just move on to my primer. Move on with my look, so I'm going to speed that up. Now I'm just going to go through my regular makeup routine. I do have a ton of other videos on my makeup routine, so I'll make sure that I link those in the description box as well, and then I will make sure that I put in all of the products that I used in the description box also. So I'm not going to talk through the rest of this video unless there's something that I really feel like you guys need to hear or any tips that I need to let you know. Caleb is having so much fun gaming in the background. I'm sorry, I'm blowing out you guys' ears. But I hope you guys just enjoy the rest of this video. that I'm over baking. At this point I might be, but listen, it is summer, it is gonna be hot today, and the way that I sweat, it's kind of like no point in even doing this, okay? But I need a little extra powder, especially in this area, because I sweat and everything else will look nice, and then this will come off. But you know, back to the video. Okay guys, so the last things we are going to do is take this off, give it a nice little shake. There you have it. Woo! Now we are going to take some of our Jamaican Wild Premium Extra Virgin Black Castor Oil with hemp seed oil for moisture and growth. We are just going to take a few little drops of this and get up in between these parts here so that they don't dry out, and this stays looking nice and healthy. So let's just brush those in with our fingers. Excuse girl, my fan, oh my gosh, y'all know how I get hot. But anyway, let's just rub this through with our fingers and then just like pat that. There we go. And then I'm going to take some on my fingers, and I'm just going to go like this, and I'm just going to touch over my coils so they can keep a nice shine. Come on, coil. Just loosely squeeze them just to add a little bit of moisture. Even though we have a ton of moisture, we're just going to use it to lock our moisture in. And there we have it. So that's it for hair. And now we're going to use our setting sprays to finish. So first I'm going to go in. I know this is going to be crazy, I'm using 2 setting sprays. But first I'm going to go in with one, and I'm just going to let that drop on my face. This one has a matte. I want you guys to see. This one has a matte finish, so all the shininess can kind of go away. And then this one is so that your makeup lasts longer, especially out in these nice hot summer days. I'm just gonna give a nice mist of this over, let that drop on my skin, and there we go guys. So this is my finished look. This is hair and makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, you guys, so I can go ahead out to dinner. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.